Okay, so for the last few days we've been looking at algebra with the basis of solving very simple x answers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try and apply these to some real life problems, or kind of more word style problems. So this is going to be page 9 of your text and text handbook, and we're looking at exercise 1.5. So in these types of questions we're looking to find answers to practical or even shape-based or pattern-based questions using what we've learned over the last couple of days: simplifying, removing brackets, solving for x, and so on. So say for instance we take question 8 here on page 10. Okay, so question 8 here on page 10 has 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously we know all the degrees around the circle is going to be 360 degrees. So therefore we're going to be able to find what each of these values added up to will be equal to 360 and go from there. So I'm going to draw a rough sketch of that onto my page here so you can see it a bit clearly. So I'm on to page 10 and I'm doing question 8. So this is taking practical based knowledge and trying to solve it using algebra. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. They've told us that this angle here from there to there is 3a minus 4 degrees. They've told us that this angle here is a plus 6 degrees. They've told us that this angle up here is 2a plus 3 degrees. And then finally they told us this angle over here is a minus 2. Now, all of you guys should know that all the degrees around a circle, if you get started at a point, you go all the way around a full circle, you're going to go through 360 degrees, 360 degree turn. So that means to me that this angle plus this plus this plus this will have to equal 360 degrees. So remember, they want us to solve for a, find a value for a, it said in the question, so we're looking for a is equal to a number. A single positive a equals to a number. That's what I mean they say solve. So let's write out this, let's make an equation. So we're going to look at this one first. A minus 2, we'll put that in bracket just so it's obvious where it's coming from, plus 2a plus 3, plus, that's red, a plus 6, and then finally, I'll just write it underneath, you should be able to fit it over here, 3a minus 4. I'm going to add up each of these, and we know then that that all should be equal to 360 degrees. So let's keep going. So a minus 2, I'm going to remove all the brackets. We can just remove these brackets straight because they're not being multiplied by anything. Plus 2a plus 3 plus a plus 6 plus 3a minus 4, and we know that's all equal to 360 degrees. So we're going to add up all our a terms first of all. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 a terms. So a plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. A. Now I'm going to add up all my numbers. I always think that marking them off piece by piece is very useful, because then you make sure you leave nothing out. So now we got minus 2 plus 3 gives us 1, plus 6 gives us 7, minus 4 gives you 3. Now, even I think that I might have missed a number there, so I'm going to write them out here on the side. So you got minus 2 plus 3 plus 6 minus 4. That gives you to 1, so the answer there is 1. Plus 6 to 1 is 7. Minus 4 from 7 is 3. That's what I said. And that's going to be equal to 360 degrees. Remember, rough work is a perfectly legitimate way of answering questions. It's always useful, and you can gain marks for showing your rough work. So, as always, we've got a number on the left-hand side. Usually you want to keep our numbers to the right-hand side, because we're looking to get an a on its own on the left, a single positive a on its own on the left. So, to get rid of that 3 on the left, we're going to minus 3 from it, so that'll go to 0. If we do it on the left, we have to do it on the right, so minus 3 from the right. And that will leave us with, I'm going to have to run out of space here, so it's going to leave us with 7a is equal to plus 3 minus 3, so that'll go to 0 there. 360 minus 3 is 357. Then you're going to divide both sides by 7 and get a value for a.